No way. Mr. Dingers FN. How we doing? Dude, I'm about to get Unreal Dingers. Where you at? Fortnite tracker. This man's grinding COD ranked. What's the top rank there, dude? Are you Unreal in COD? Dude, look how dog shit this leaderboard is. 3.3% in Unreal. It's so dumb. Oh, new game or new season? I'm terrible. I'm terrible at Fortnite, dude. I can't even get to Unreal. Top 3% are there. Plat currently solo queuing below. GG's, what is it, like master, then fucking I'm a god rank. I don't know, dude. I'm not very quick tonight. Can't think of anything funny. Fortnite was fun, so fun the first 7-8 seasons, dude. For real. Best time in gaming of all time. And that comes from a boomer, dude. Those first few seasons of Fortnite were just the best. Nothing compares. Looking a little flabby. Oh, dude, okay, I don't have a push-up cam. How do I even do the push-ups? Can you see this right here? That works. Oh. Lulu. I'm trying to do push-ups. No. I can't. I'm not allowed to do them right now. Hey. Oh, dude. What are you doing? Okay, dude. That did not work. That did not work at all. I owe you 20 push-ups, Riz, but I tried. You can't say I didn't try right there, dude. You saw it happen. Rafiux. Is that how I say your name, dude? Rafiux? What you up to tonight? Do you do game dev? What language do you use to dev game? C#. I do Unity. Dude, never say that again, Mr. Colin JB. Okay, what was that video you sent me, though? Why does that describe everything exactly? Yeah, I use Unity. I'm about to export some things into Unity real quick. I think I should make this white. Yeah. We're gonna see how this goes. Brutus, how do you like this, by the way? Did you respond to me on Discord? This man didn't even respond to me on Discord. Oh my god, dude. Low poly cat is back. I'm just always surprised at how persistent this man is. Do you work as a programmer? I do some programming at my work, but I would say for the most part, I'm self-taught when it comes to programming. Like, I didn't really go to school for it or anything. Which means that sometimes I'm pretty dog shit at it. Alright. I think this is fine. We have to save a bunch of images, unfortunately. So, the first one is going to be... Wait, what the? Why does that say that's the size of it? It's kind of weird, right? Okay, I'm gonna make this white though so I can color it in Unity. I love how I am just expected to be at your beck and call. Dude, no, you just don't respond for like 24 hours. That's not beck and call, okay? Plus, you give me a bunch of shit for my shit UI, and then you just don't say anything, so. That's what happens, dude. That's like, you like ask your coach. You like ask your coach like what to do, and you're like genuinely like interested. You're like, dude, like how do I get better at this? Blah blah blah. And then they're just like, you suck. And then you're like, all right, I suck. How do I get better? And then they just don't respond. They just walk away from you. That's me and Brutus's relationship. Basically. All right, where's my repositories? Assets, art. Okay, we're putting this in UI, I think. UI menus. Menu general. I think we need a game scene menu. Game scene. Unless there's already a... No. We'll throw it in here. Call this... what is this? It's like a progress bar, but it's got like sections to it. Segment. Progress bar segment. No, I beat you, Brutus. I beat you. Okay, but seriously, Colin, I watched that video and like I just felt bad because it was like exactly what you're describing, but like I don't know what you do about it. Rafix, what do you do? Do you do game dev as well? Are you interested in game dev? Oh, I got new alert boxes, by the way, so people won't follow now and not get any alert. Also got a new dog, as you guys saw. Her name's Lulu. And she's a bother. She's always in my face, as you saw as well. But she's a nice dog. Okay, we're gonna call this, we're gonna make this black. And we are gonna make this 100% opacity. Okay, I don't know why it's doing this, man. It's kind of weird. I also don't know why it's not snapping. Photoshop's kind of ass. Actually, I don't even think I need to do this. I can just build this UI element in... I think I just build it in Unity. Yeah, I don't need to do that. What about this one? This one I might need to build. Or I might need to use. Okay, progress bar. Outline. It's not. Is it a progress bar? It's. I think it's more like the beat game bar outline. We're gonna call it the beat game bar instead. Okay. Is there anything else we need? Hello, Eddie. What's up? How's your night going, or morning, wherever you are in the world? The bar right below is the progress bar, correct? Yeah, this thing? Yeah, that's the progress bar. If so, it's fine, but yellow is not usually used for progress. Green or blue? Well, I mean, that's what I did before, and you said the colors looked bad, so. Like, I have this. I mean, I can make it green. So I'm not locking in the colors right now, so we can look at it, see what it looks like in game. But I thought yellow because it matches the rest of the UI style. Yes, and I gave this its own background. This has its own background now. You see it? But you also said green is not a good color, if I remember correctly. Because there's too much green around. So I'm getting conflicting reports from you, Brutus. Okay, let's go into UI Builder in Unity. Oh. So it needs to be a brighter green. Right, so we're gonna make a visual element, let's call it, God, I actually hate UI Builder, man. Let's see if this can actually work for once. Let's call this progress bar. I think it's gonna be like a custom progress bar. It's not gonna be, or we're calling it beat game. Okay, this is gonna be right. Yeah, some of my other progress bars are this like yellow color, so that's why I was thinking I might try that. Just so you know. Okay, I need to change. Let's change the name of this. Beat game bar segment. You can just call it bar. It's fine. So for now, I'm gonna make this width like something real, but I'll probably change that later. We're gonna give the background, we're gonna have a border. With a radius of 5. Let's make it absolute. Eddie, what you working on, man? Are you doing some game dev stuff? Like a white border instead of black? I don't know. You lost your chance, man. I've spent way too much time on this, and I can try to play around with it in Unity, but I'll do this real quick, see if it looks good. Like that? Like a white? Maybe I'm not understanding what you're saying. Are you saying this one should be white? Like, that just looks weird. I don't think like light green does well on like a light background. Can always come back to it. This is a total of 2226 tall. Something like that. Gonna make the opacity a little less, 50% or so. Okay, now let's add a... Okay, this is like the secondary outline. Low poly cat just redeemed 25 push-ups. Woohoo! Alright, let's see if Lulu comes in. Oh, Lulu, she
She was sleeping until you said her name.
What?
Yeah.
I gotta say her name less loud.
Yeah, you gotta be quiet.
Dang it. Alright, I almost got through him. Griefed? Dude, that was a true griefing. She actually griefed. Okay, this. Let's keep it going. Train that dog to be a Fortnite player already? Facts. It's literally how I feel playing Fortnite every time. Just some random shitter comes and bonks their head against me in the most random way. They're just in my box. Didn't even get a tag, they're just in my box, 50-50. Not exactly sure how this is going to work out. Beat game bar outline. So this is actually going to be an image. Huh? Why does it look like that? Hello? Like, I don't see any white in there, do you? If I have like a red, like a purple background, do you see anything? No. So where is this white coming from? This man, Colin JV, dude. Stop making me cry. I want to see you play Rocket League. Dude, I'm terrible at Rocket League. Yeah, I spent 20 bucks on Arc, played for like 10 minutes, and never got back on. GG's. This is, this is confusing. It's like it didn't, I wonder if there's a setting wrong in this import. Oh, I think we want it to be a sprite 2D. That's probably why. Okay. Yeah, I kind of... Well, actually, guess I did do that with most things here. Yeah. Shit, it's been a minute. Okay. There we go. Okay, much better. I think that looks pretty good right there. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna add these segments. Oh, I forgot. Dude, I actually like probably don't need these segments. I can probably also make these. I was thinking of like making the end pieces their custom elements, but I can also just make like a rounded rectangle. So let's just, yeah, maybe try to do that. I don't know. I don't know how much I want to get into the depths of UI Builder. But in principle, we would do this. We would make it some fixed size, like let's say like 30. Put like a margin on this thing. About 5 looks good. And then this, I guess, yeah, it's going inside of that one, so then we want to do like a left margin here. Oh, it's padding. Oh. We wanted padding, I guess. I always forget which one's which. Okay, looks good. Also do a padding of 3 on the right. We can play Arc anytime you want. I just need a few days advance warning. I don't know, dude. I'm kind of on the Power World a little bit. It's been grinding Power World. Get on my level, dude. Power World is basically like Arc, Pokemon, Valheim, all combined into one. And all the AAA devs are salty about it. All the AAA devs just can't stand. They don't understand how they made Power World. I'll tell you why. You got a bunch of fucking CEOs getting paid $30 million a year to do jack shit. All right, let's make this guy. Let's make it green in Spirit of Brutus. For now. Wait, what? How do I keep getting off of this thing? Powwow this arc without all the good parts? That's what you think. Powworld looks like the world and characters were made from Play-Doh. Interesting take. Look at that, dude. We're able to totally make it in UI Builder. So I guess... distribute these guys to the right. But this one's gonna be zeros across the board. Also, I'm trying to think the best way to do this, but yeah, I guess these are gonna be distinct elements, so then this one will have like a padding on like one side of it. Or should I do both sides? Let's see, what's the easiest way? I think this one also has to have the padding on one side, so like... two? No, it's not padding, dude. Or is it? I guess it is. Alright, let's say it's 3. Okay, 3 pixels. And then this one... Oh. Say it's... Shit. No, I know how to do this. These ones are gonna have all the padding, but only on the left side. Huh? Is it margin? Dude, I never know which one it is. It's margin, damn it. Never ever can get that one right. Okay, cool. So we can do that. Okay, and then we're basically... Oh. Wait, what the fuck? We're gonna keep that, but then this one's gonna have a padding of the same amount, a margin of the same amount on the left side. And that's how we'll do it. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Except, you know, this one could be like, we can make it like white, but then with like a little see-throughness. So it's like not full yet. So I think it's a little difficult, but I think the best way to do this is to make a style sheet of these. And then we can apply the style sheet to each one, depending on if it's like a left, a middle, or a right section. And then in code, we'll adjust the lengths based on how many segments there are. So that way I don't have to like save physical objects for these. That just saves style sheets, and then I can just create the objects live. Man, it's actually really pretty annoying creating a segmented progress bar. I don't know, maybe I'm doing it wrong, but this is the best way I could think of to do it. I mean, I think it would be a lot easier if this wasn't semi-transparent, because then I could just put tick marks. But I'm doing it the hard way, I guess, in making it transparent. Would have been a lot easier to do it the other way, but oh well. I think it looks good like this. Okay, so yeah. Let's say beat guess I already have this, huh? I'll just add to this. The real question is, how do I copy? Add style. Extract inline styles to new class. I feel like that's what I want, but I think I need to name it. Beat bar segment left. Okay, so this should have all of that stuff. It does. Cool. Beat bar segment middle. What? What did I just do? Oh God. Oh no. What did I do? Unity didn't like something I did. I think I cleared the error. Man, I couldn't get into using UI as a builder to save my life. Dalco, bro. I don't blame you. Shit's pretty fucking rough to work with, to be honest. I don't know. I guess I'm just a masochist because there's really not a great reason to use it. I thought it was better than it is, to be honest. The more I use it, the more I just realize it's a pain. Using the old UI still? Dude, just keep using the old UI. Like, I promise you, you're not missing out on this shit. It's kind of cool, but everything takes me twice as long, to be honest. It's just... like, the precision that you can get is maybe a little better, and the flexibility is a little better, but it doesn't fit the Unity workflow very well, you know? And it's a very steep learning curve. There's like a lot of new things, and the complexity is like more than it needs to be at a lot of times. But with that said, I'm making a custom segmented progress bar in it right now. Okay, so we saved our 3 styles. This is probably the best thing about UI Builder is the style sheets. So I saved the style sheets for these different segments, and so now we can just apply the style sheets to like whichever elements that we want. So, okay. Let's... yeah, I guess what I'm hoping here is that if I add another segment, it just adapts to the same size. And like these elements adapt, which I think they do. Let's add like 3 more. Boom. Nice. How far did I get with the fishing minigame you were working on? Pretty far. Here, I'll show you. I'm making a progress bar for it right now. I've been really busy though. As the stream title says, I got a dog. Dog's been a lot of work, so haven't really been doing too much, but I kind of, you know, I knock out an hour or 2 every here and there on the game. Okay, you're just gonna have to deal with this progress bar. In the middle. Okay, here, let's get rid of this guy. It's kind of a bother. This is my least favorite thing about UI Builder. If I want to hide an element, I have to come in here. It's a lot better to work with UI Builder if you have 2 monitors and you're working off stream, but I still hate this so much. Okay, so yeah, I can't remember where I was last stream, but I think I was making the rings, right? I was making the beat rings. So yeah, actually I'm pretty far. So this is what we got. We got the boring beat rings. There's colored ones, but the normal ones are gray. So I added this cone here. I don't know if you can see this cone. It's this was the hardest part for me to figure out, and it's still a work in progress. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But you know, the idea is that when the ring gets inside of this cone, then it will be at least a good. And if it's in this like highlighted region in the middle, then it's a perfect. And I will say it looks a little better than it did initially because I'll see if I can time it right, but it flashes when it gets into the good. So you see that? That's the perfect. It flashes like this when it's perfect. But it doesn't click for you, obviously. So there, it's in the perfect regime, so then you'd want to click. Let's see if I can get one in the good. Damn it, dude. Okay, apparently I'm just there. Okay, it very slightly flashes a little bit. And it gives like pretty good feedback, I guess. So I'm pretty happy with that feedback, but the cone itself to me is a little unimpressive and a little confusing. So I think that's a bit of a work in progress. Yeah, the cone doesn't convey the purpose super well. Obviously, like I can make a tutorial that will explain it, but I think it's always better if your game is like self-explanatory. And I will make a tutorial, but still. I'm playing around with the bloom a little bit still, and these objects. I haven't gotten it quite perfect right now. I feel like there's like too much bloom. But overall, pretty good. I really like the perfect explosion. That's probably my favorite part. Because like the good has a nice normal like explosion. But the perfect has that like extra electric shock, and it actually looks really good. Anyways, yeah, that's where I'm at. Things are definitely coming together. So now we're switching it up a little bit. So instead of a set number of rings, they're gonna just keep coming, and we're gonna fill up the progress bar. And when you fill the progress bar, then you win. And if there's like more than one ring still up there, they'll just all explode. I feel like I could use sounds that are different for good and perfect. Yeah, no, definitely. I do want to do that, yeah. I'm trying to figure out what do you think in terms of like, if you could describe a sound, like just different, or do you think like it should be the same sound with like an extra effect, like a electric shock effect? I was thinking like a little sizzle, like electric shock type effect because of the visual effect. But it also could just be a totally different sound that's like fuller and bigger. Satisfying sound. Okay, so you're basically a different sound that's like fuller and bigger and more satisfying. Yeah. Okay. That's fair. Yeah, I think like a similar but better sound. Similar but more satisfying, yeah, is probably best. Player hits him back to back, it feels good. Yeah, it doesn't, there's no extra. Maybe there also should be like an extra, like more visual cue, like a shake or I don't know. Also, this is supposed to be blue, but it ends up looking like weird purple. I don't know. I need to get my colors all right, but I haven't really optimized that yet. Bust out that wow sound effect. You have an awesome foundation with it? Thanks. Yeah. No, I feel pretty good about it. It's been a lot of work to get this foundation in, but it's feeling pretty good. I think it's workable. It sucks when you like try really hard to do like a new game effect or new like game mechanic, and like you try your hardest and you get to the end and you're like, this does not feel good. And I was honestly feeling like that for a little while with this one, but adding some of the final touches kind of pulled it together a little bit, so it feels like it could be a good game mechanic. And I think it just needs that like final polish. But yeah. Discord. Feel is, yeah, there's sometimes you can't really describe things in terms of the numbers and specifics. It's just the whole feel. Oh, Brutus has got a sound effect. Let's listen to it. Oh my god. Actually, that's pretty good though. Like something like that. I don't know if you can actually hear this because it's on desktop audio. Is that from something? We can? Sorry, I might have turned that up a little too much. I use Feel by More Mountains in my project. Wait, what is that? It's an asset store plugin? Ooh, big boy plugin, but sometimes these are fucking worth it. I have a few Odin Inspector and Easy Save are my two that I swear by. Let's check this out. Micro internet? Oh. Yes! Yes! Wait. That's what I need. The little, like the tiny shake. Wait, this looks sick. Let me actually watch this. Yeah, that's sick, honestly, dude. I might buy this. Attach a component, add the effects you want, and call it with... Nice. In my game, you can collect resources by clicking on trees, etc. with Feel. I have them squish and pop. Fuck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna definitely like this one. Come back. But I do feel like, yeah, what the perfect needs is like a little micro shake, right? Something that's just subtle, like it doesn't like throw you off, but it's just subtle enough to give you a little feel. Yeah, there's no feel, dude. Fucking, now I feel empty. Prosh, hello, what's up, dude? Back on the YouTube. Feel can do that along with playing sounds on cue, particles on cue, movement, transforms, etc. Feel an easy save or two I swear by. Yeah, easy save is fucking worth it, man. You will have to spend so many hours writing. Like, if you make a game, you have to basically write yourself what easy save has. You have to. You have no choice. I found a open source project that was like easy save and it was free, called ES3. Or no, sorry. Easy save's called ES3, right? Am I tripping? It's called F. Can't remember the fucking name now, but it's called like F something, FBSM or something like that, and it does what easy save does, but it doesn't have any of the special types. It doesn't have like, you know, transforms. It doesn't have all of the special Unity types. It doesn't have dictionaries. Like, the fact that ES3 can just save a dictionary and load a dictionary, like, do you know how fucking helpful that is? You have to write that yourself if you don't buy something or get something third party. So anyways. Yeah, that's one that's just like, you should just buy that plug and play. Yeah, no, that's cool. I was reading your comment about feel. So I use JSAM for audio. This is actually an open source one. I would definitely recommend checking this out. It sounds like maybe Feel already does what you need, but JSAM's pretty cool because it's, where's my audio? It creates this audio library for you, and it creates these like scriptable objects out of audio. Like, it has like a menu to create these things for you, and then it creates enums, and you can just like copy the enum name and see if I can find it somewhere in my project, but it's easily accessible, right? It's like where's my audio manager? Do I call anything in here? No, I don't. Here, yeah. So then you'll just say like audio manager.play sound main audio library sounds dot realfish short. So it creates this enum that's like, you know, tab or dot completed, which is really nice. So you don't have to like call a string or something. Anyways, really like this library too. Oh, there's so many good tools out there. I wish I knew them all. Okay, anyways, yeah, I'll check out Feel at some point. Looks pretty sick. No. I think I can delete these. Yeah, that's pretty nice. You can see all the sounds. You wrote a save system for a mobile game? Oh, yeah, dude, that sounds terrible. So what game are you working on right now, Dalco? Should I create a template of this? I think I should, yeah. Did I ever actually play Rocket League? Yeah, I did. I tried and I sucked. I tried to learn how to do flying, and that's when I quit. I couldn't figure it out. Did I make the art for the UI? You're talking about like this? This is not. I didn't make this, but I have like a combination of custom UI and UI I've made myself right now. But I made all this UI myself. Oh, except these are these are from RuneScape. These shadowy textures. I made these two things. It's just for items that I can pick up over here. Did I show you the inventory that I have? I don't know if I've shown you Dalco, but yeah, it's kind of actually works pretty good. I made this all in UI Builder. Has little pop-ups. Dang, and drop inventories are rough to make. Dude, tell me about it. The inventory is one of the best pieces of code I've ever written. The inventory in this game. It's a fucking monster project to write all that shit. All right. I've been really delaying doing anything tonight. Why don't I actually try to do something? So I put that in game scene. Oh, also one more thing, Dalco, please do not take this as me trying to convince you to use UI Builder. Because just don't switch, trust me. But I will show you one cool thing in case you were interested in using it again, but don't let me convince you. There is an open source package called UI Builder Plus. Do I have it? Maybe you've heard of it, I don't know, but yeah, UI Toolkit Plus, open source package. You can import, right? What it gives you the ability to do is generate these .gen CS files plus CS files. So I've saved my beat game bar container as a UXML file, and now I can generate these two files. Generates them for me. And now if I go into this gen file, I'll show you what it is. Inventories are hard, no small feat. Yeah, dude, I always tell people like whenever people like are just starting to make a game, they're like, yeah, I want to make like an open world like inventory based like game with a hotbar. And I'm just like, bro, good luck. Do you know how fucking hard it is to make a good inventory? It's easily one of the hardest things to do in a game if you're gonna do that. Dude, what happened to my... Alright, well I guess I'm not gonna show you this gen file. Typical Spader stream? Dude, this is seriously such a Spader stream right now. Okay. Not doing one? Dude, I'm honestly trying to find ways to not do those types of games if I did another one. Okay, so as you saw in UI Builder, this has a sub-component to it, a sub-visual element named beat game bar container. Normally, if you wanted to access that guy and do something to it, you would have to get the string of it, right? Which is probably the most annoying thing about UI Builder. But it auto-generates this for you, and it creates a visual element that you can access. And it uses a partial class to do this, so that now you can open this guy, which extends that class. And now you can do things with that right here. There it is. I already have it. Then I don't have to remember the names of everything. So that's pretty sick. Jack just got shot at on stream? What the fuck? One day I'll give it another try. Dude, don't do it for at least another year. That's what I would recommend. Easily the most frustrating thing about UI Builder right now is that they don't support what is it? Repeating textures. It's still experimental. Technically, no. Technically, they released version 1.0. But I would say it's still experimental, to be honest. I don't think it's ready for a full project. You can make it ready for a full project, like you can get by with it, but sometimes you run into really annoying things. So I would wait at least another year. They have repeating textures on their roadmap. Like they actually have a tab for it, but it's not in yet. Sucks. Okay, anyways, so we're gonna say init beat game bar. And when we initialize the beat game bar, we're gonna have to give it a number of segments. Num segments. I'll make this okay. What the fuck, dude? Yeah, I don't want to watch this. Jack sucks. I hate Jack. I closed it because I don't want to watch. He probably like faked it or something just for drama. Play Rocket League like the ball is precious. Once I have it, never want to like, dude. Well, the problem is I can't control it, dude. It just slips away. Okay, I don't want to think right now. So if I is 0, it's the first one. Where did I do this? I applied like a custom USS. I think it's like style sheet. Is it just style sheet? Probably be faster. I just chat GPT it. Can't really remember. What the fuck? How to set style sheets on visual elements. Okay, that's how you do it. Ah, shit. I think this is actually just going to be called beat bar style sheet. See, I don't even remember if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. Everything changed once I had a controller? Oh, I played on Xbox. I don't know. I played with a controller and I still sucked, so... How far along are you, Dalco, in your game? Like, how many months you been working on it, and how much longer you think you got? Oh no, I forgot. I can't do this. I'll just add it to my UI game manager, I guess. I don't fucking know, dude. Whatever. I'm over it. style sheets. Okay, so can I add this now? Okay. I don't want to add a style sheet. Add a class, or add a selector from a style sheet to a visual element. Add a class list. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, if this, blah, 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 we're gonna do this. The class name is beat bar segment left. The style sheet is UI game manager beat bar style sheet. I feel like, wouldn't you want to do this before this one? It's kind of weird. Maybe not, I don't know. As long as this is added, I guess it's fine. Alright, else if I equals num segments. Is it num segments minus 1? Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, in that case, we will add the right one, else. We will add middle. Okay. The game bar container. Okay, so now we need to create one of these guys. Probably another year since I work full time and have kids. Jeez. That's how I feel. Yeah, dude. Unless you're like actually working like 6 to 8 hours a day on a game, it's like, it feels almost impossible to finish. It's just so many. Like it's taken me what, like 3 weeks to do this fishing mechanic? I mean, it's a fairly complex mechanic, but still. 3 weeks, it's like a 15th of a year, dude. I don't know. I just gotta keep sticking with it. My problem is I always take breaks. If I keep sticking with it, I bet I could have like an alpha out by the end of the year. So, yeah, somewhere in here, I'm initializing all these things. God, this looks terrible and whatever. This is initializing a bunch of menus, though. Actually, I think I do want to do this. I guess this is gonna be a little different, huh? This is gonna be like show beat game bar, and I'm not gonna call it here. I'll just have like a high beat game bar. That's just gonna be Oh, no way. You went from Unreal to Unity? I honestly, I don't hear about that transition that way very often. What made you decide to switch to Unity? So I guess I always forget how to do this. Yeah, we don't actually have to do number of segments here. Seems like a lot of code for a fucking segmented progress bar, but oh well. This is what I'm talking about with UI Toolkit, man. It's just a lot of boilerplate stuff. Doesn't feel great. It feels clean, but it's not fun. It's like writing a C++ script versus a Python script or something. you're just gonna be able to do it way faster in Python. Game bar. So I think now I pass in game bar container, which is the root element of that, which I already created in UI Builder. Okay, then. So I'm just gonna spawn. Let's just now call the spawn function. Or the show function, show game bar, and let's just do like, let's do 4 segments, right, to start out. So it should just show it immediately. I miss coding in C++ sucks. All right, that's the reason I thought you might have said. Which is like easily the best reason. But people just can't really understand it, but by far the best reason to use Unity is to use C#. I don't fuck with visual coding, man. I will probably die an old man if the new generation grows up and they're all like, oh, visual scripting's all the rage. If that shit like actually takes over, I'm gonna die never knowing it, and I don't care. Yeah, also C++ is like not very fun, man. C# is just way more intuitive. Editor references, yeah, I love the Unity workflow in the editor, man. I love it. Godot is pretty similar to that, right? Like Godot has like a similar system of referencing and stuff. I should try out Godot, but yeah, I feel the same way as you. I don't think Godot is like developed enough for what I want to do in game. Like I'm not saying you couldn't force it, but I feel like if I started using Godot, I would spend like way more time like developing features that already exist in Unity. So let's try it out. All right, here we go. This is probably not going to work at all. Oh, wait. Really? That's actually so dumb. Wait, what? Wait, why can't I see it? It's there. It's visible. Why is it not visible here? Oh no. Oh, it's way down there. What the? Oh. I know why. There we go. Okay. That's dumb. Alright, there it is. We see it. Now it should fill with segments, but it's not going to because I can never do things first try. At least my expectations weren't too high. Also can't use print inside of these classes, which makes it really annoying. I think there's like a better way to do all this with something called UXML Factory, but I haven't got into that yet. Okay, it made it here. It's like, it's probably like this that isn't working, which is really annoying. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's try something. Oh, I don't think I added the elements. Duh. Yeah, I didn't actually add these to the root. Okay, we definitely need to do that. GD script's a little weird. Yeah, I also don't want to learn GD. Like, I don't want to learn a programming language just to do game dev. I would rather learn a programming language that's like widely adopted, because then at least I feel good about doing game dev. Like it's contributing to my programming knowledge in some way. That's honestly is one of the biggest reasons I develop in Unity. It's just so like game development is like me learning how to program better, honestly. I mean, obviously there's like a lot of things in game dev that don't apply to programming, but at least when I'm like programming and thinking about that aspect of it, it is. Ah, damn, this didn't work again. So what's going on? I heard Godot has C# support. I'm unclear on if it's good support or if it's like shitty support. Okay, the next test is oh, we want to add it to beat game bar outline, not root. Okay, let's try that. Oh my god, it worked. Would you look at that? Third try. Third try's not bad in coding. All right, should we try a different number of segments? You like how surprised I was? Like, I'm legitimately surprised that worked so soon. Yeah, let's try. Let's try 10. Let's try 8. 9? 9 segments. Can it handle 9? Oh yeah, I can handle 9. Nice. Okay, now we gotta do some customization. So I want the background. Is it the background color? It's gotta be background color. I want this to be equal to I always forget if this is in 1s or 255s. I want them to all start white. Good. Oh, I guess I can just move this to the end. And I can also move this to the end. There's a lot I really like about Godot, but I don't know if it's where it needs to be for my using. Best part about Rocket League is it's free. League of Legends is free. Dude, my problem is I just don't have time. Dude, yeah, honestly, getting this dog has, it's made it really hard for me to do any type of gaming besides like dumb point and click RuneScape. It's basically all I play. But it's gonna get better. So we've had to like keep her completely indoors because she's getting her second round of shots. We got her from the shelter, and she's getting her second round of shots on the 12th. So after the 12th, we're gonna be able to take her outside and like get her energy out. But right now, dude, she's just a psycho all the time. Oh wait, she's sleeping. I don't know if you can see her back there. It's the only good part about League? Dude, yeah, there's so many bad things about League. Okay. We're gonna have to have a few more functions in here. Let's do set next segment. Okay, question. Actually, I think I know the answer, but I'll ask it anyways. So for the beat progress, if you miss one, should it like go back? Or should missing one just count towards like a tension meter or like a misses meter? I'm not gonna say what I think, but I think I know which one I would do. Tension bar full means fish bye-bye. Okay, that's what I was thinking too. So like you can't go backwards on the segments is basically what I was getting at. If you miss one, it just stays. So we'll have a set next segment complete function. Let's do num segments actually. I'm gonna change this back. So it's a little less confusing because I'm gonna add current segment. this will return a true boolean if we've completed the bar. So current segment. That'll go at the bottom, and then we're gonna say, oh man, I should probably create a list of all these segments. What is it? Using system? Generic? Fucking hell, dude. Collection. That's another thing that's annoying about not working in a mono behavior class. It doesn't auto add those things for you when you type them. Visual elements. We're gonna say segments. Okay, segments. I guess when we hide the beat game bar, we're also going to do segments.clear. Segments. Current segment. Color. Okay. What's the votes in the chat? Green segments or yellow segments? I know the obvious choice is probably green, but I'm just considering yellow because the yellow matches my other UI better. Alright, what is this color? 90, 255, 56, like... yellow? Alright. I kinda like the yellow. I feel like I need a good way to do this. I've been trying to organize my colors a little better. So that if I make a color change somewhere, then it'll affect everything. So I do have these, like, some of these standard colors in this game data. Maybe I'll add one. Standard, should I do like standard bright yellow? I don't think I want to do the mythic color. That's like its own thing. I'll just do this. Fuck it. can say, ooh, I think it's game manager. I have this in, yeah, game data, standard, bright yellow. Trying to have some standard colors, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I guess we just do return current segment equals num segments. So if there's 5 segments, or let's just say there's 3 segments. First one, yes. Second one, we start at 0, so then first one adds to 1, second one adds to 2. Yeah, I think that's right. Because we're doing plus plus here. Okay. Oh, another thing we're gonna have to do is clear this guy. All right. Okay, then I think at this point we're ready to add this to like the actual game portion of it. So I can take this away. Where did I do this? This is going to happen in beat sequencer, I think. Okay. So I think I can say if beat node is submitted. Ah, shit. I was gonna make good be able to do 1 and perfect be able to do 2. We might have to add that in. But let's do this first. UI manager. Beat game bar dot set next segment complete. Okay. And we're getting back a Boolean. B node submitted. I actually don't. I guess I handle all that shit somewhere else. Like if it's done. Okay. I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to change some things around in this class because I'm doing it differently. Damn. I was hoping I could finish this tonight, but I think that's gonna be the nail in the coffin. Okay, well, at least we'll see that happen. We're just not gonna have to use the Boolean for now. We have to show it, so that's also gonna happen in Hey. Lulu. One sec. Fucking hell. All right. Hey, Lulu. Lulu, come here. Come here. Okay, a knit beat sequence. This is what we need to call it. Show beat game bar. The number of segments is just going to be yeah, this is where it diverges. Number of beats, whatever. Let's do that for now. And we should be good. Why do I feel like this is in the center, but it doesn't look like that?
Hey. No. No, man.
Oh, it's gonna have to stick in place. It's annoying. Well, it works. Okay, we also have end beat sequence. So when we end the beat sequence, we want to hide beat game bar. All right, this might be the last thing I do tonight. I'm gonna get off. Obviously, I'll have to make this track the position of the bob. Huh. Wonder why it doesn't show. Or it doesn't hide. Did I not hide it? Oh, yeah. Did not. Alright. I'm gonna get off for the night, you guys. Dalco, thanks for chilling. Good luck, brother. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.